Good morning, my name is Victor Sabilio. Ako pala ang assessor ng meat cutting. Pwede ko po bang mahiram ang inyong test package? Okay, thank you. Okay, mayroon namang questionnaire, specific instruction, answer sheet. Okay, ang ating tools and equipment. Mayroon namang knife, that's covered. Sharpening steel, meat hook, sharpening stone, at ang ating PPE, hernia, apron, gloves, facilities, malamig naman, ilaw, okay naman po, magana. Okay, ma'am, okay na po ang ating assessment test package. Nakita ko po, okay na po lahat. Pwede na po ba tayo mag-start? Thank you. Good morning. Kayo po ba sir ang magpapa-assist?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you po. Kumusta po ang biyahe? Observe lang po tayo ng ating social distancing. Welcome, institutional assessment treatment cutting. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Assessment Center at Isla Paliparan, Competency Retail Meat Cutting. Ako pala si Victor Sabilio, assessor ng Retail Meat Cutting. Okay. At sa ating EEC Manager, Patricia Reyes, Isla Representative, Rowena Bangkos, Processing Officer, Gili Kumalan. Huwag po kayo mag-alala kasi in-observe lang po nila tayo sa ating ginagawang assessment standard. Ako pa rin po ang mag-assist sa inyo. Okay? Ang ating shirt layout pala, pagpasok nyo sa admin entrance, nandun po ang ating written exam. Sa bandang likod, ang ating demonstration exam. Sa kaliwa naman, ang ating oral interview, learning resource area. Okay? Overhand your admission slip, attendance sheet, and receive your candidate number. Mr. Edwin Tanguna, sir, pasign yung valid ID. Okay, thank you. Ikaw ang magiging candidate number 1. Okay. Mr. Yorley Atirado, sir, pasign na yung valid ID. Kayo po sir ang magiging candidate number 10. Okay? Thank you. Okay, ano po palang reason sa assessment natin dito? Bakit kayo po ay nagpapa-assess sir?
Makapag-approve, sir?
Thank you. Abroad, very good dyan. Kayo sir?
Business.
Business, okay. Thank you. Ang iba naman for personal development. Okay. Purpose of assessment. Okay, purpose of assessment, our institutional assessment is determine our level competency. Okay. Retail meat cutting, full qualification, high school graduate, 18 years old and above, BSc, NISO, birth certificate, of course, physically fit po talaga. Okay. Next. Okay, mayroon po tayong basic and common for competency. Handle butchering tools and equipment, break down carcass into primal cuts, pack and display finished product. Okay. Task to be performed. Okay, 60-minute written exam, 60-minute demonstration, 15 minutes oral interview. Instruction, use PPE, breakdown of half carcasses primal cuts into subprimal, using bandsaw, slicer, and meat grinder. Preparation of meat packaging, display from the wing scale sticker to display. Okay, next. Assessment method. Ang assessment method natin, may time task tayo. 60 minutes written exam, 60 minutes demonstration, and 15 minutes interview. Okay? No question?
Sir.
Okay. Do's and don'ts naman, practice professionalism, observe OHs and 5Hs. Sa doon sa no cheating, no gadget, no eating during the assessment. Okay? Not allowed going out assessment area. Okay? Not allowed wearing jewelry or watches. You are not allowed to ask question in your fellow candidate. Ako lamang po ang pwede niyong tanungin para po masagot ko po kayo ng maayos. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay. Sa ating assessment result, mayroon tayong dalawang result, competent and not yet competent. Okay. Issue of certificate. Ano po yung competent? Ang competent po ay after 2 working days, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. Submit the following is the Cavite Provincial Office Regional Office at the back office. Okay. Dalhin nyo lang yung cards, ID picture, passport size, white background, with collar and that. Okay. Don't forget po, ang pambayad nyo ay 50 pesos only. Okay. Yun, doon naman sa hindi siya pinala, not incompetent, reassessment will be available if you are ready to take the institutional assessment. Okay? Pag nakapangalawang bisis ka na po na nakakuha ng not satisfactory, ay kayo po ay subject na po ng pre-training. Okay? Question? Sa ating allowable adjustment, doon po sa may mga health condition tulad ng disabilities, pregnancy, language barrier, equipment adjustment. Okay, pwede po kayong kumuha ng pwede po kayo magsabi sa akin at maghanap po tayo ng translator para po maintindihan natin na inyong dialect. Okay? Confidentiality. Ngayon, kung ano man ang result natin dito, sa trader lang po at sa kaditi o kadit, tayo lang po ang makakaalam niyan to ensuring the privacy and data protection. Okay? Right to appeal. May karapatan po tayong mag-appeal kung hindi nyo po nagustuhan ng ating labas ng ating assessment. Okay? Pwede nyo isulat, pizza, time and date, assessor's qualification, result assessment, incident report, at saka i-state nyo yung reason nyo bakit po kayo nag-appeal. Okay? Let's start.